Welcome to Biology. Biology. Biology.
Hi guys, so what you need with this is Cool Whip, a bowl, your choice of Koolaid condensed milk, a spoon, and a trusty pie crust. And this is a new one, so I'm using this. So guys, let's get ready. Because of the size of this pie crust, I am using the largest container of Cool Whip.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Now I'm going to add less than a half of condensed milk.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Now I want to stir this very, very well, and you will see the consistency start changing.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
It's time to add in your Kool-Aid pack, and you only need one.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate.
So at this point, guys, stirring is so important. You will see the texture change right before your eyes. You will know when the mixture is just the right amount of stirs. So just continue stirring until you see the consistency change.
Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up.
Okay, my consistency is ready. Now what I'm going to do is pull my walnut pecan pie. Yes, guys, I did say walnut. So let's open this pie crust.
The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
Okay, guys, now it is time to add in our Kool-Aid filling. And I am going to use the whole entire amount in my crust.
Open up, open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my.
So I wanted to add another additional cute little touch. So I had some blackberries. So I just piled some in the middle to make it also cute.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Now just add your lid, put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 2 hours or more.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on
So guys, here's my pie.
my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
So here guys, I am pre-cutting all of my pieces because everyone in my house, yes, will get large pieces. So I'm pre-cutting. Now I am going to slide my pie cutter up under and pull my piece out. Look at that yumminess.
Heartache complications. Open up. Need to.
So in the next clip, you will see 2 pies. So that means you need to stay tuned for part 2.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna tell you quickly what's the difference. This one is the blue raspberry lemonade. This one is to be refrigerated. Now we get ready to taste the blue raspberry lemonade. Ready? Come on. Can't see nothing but your phone. Okay? Ready? Blue raspberry is the best for me.
So far, that one is, yeah, I think that one's better. But they're both really good. Flavor-wise, the blue raspberry is better.
You just put it in the refrigerator, chill it for about an hour or 2, and it's ready. So guys, I was asked to do this by Shawana. So Shawana, this video is for you, girl. You asked me to do it. You asked me, hey, please do the Kool-Aid pie for me. So Shawana is here, girl. I tell you, I come to deliver. You ask, you request, and I do it. Okay. So guys,
On a score of 1 to 5, what do you rate them?
so a score from 1 to 5. My son is asking me to score these. A scale from 1 to 5. I absolutely love blue things. Anything to drink, I love blue. And I absolutely love lemons. So that's hard because you know I am a lemon person. So from a scale of 1 to 5, I'm sorry, my blue raspberry, I give it a 6. Because this is lemon, guys, and I love lemon. I got to bump that up.
I like that they're not crazy sweet.
Guys, let me tell you. A lot of y'all know I tell y'all that my husband is a type 2 diabetic. When you're using that condensed milk, if you're doing 1 pie, do not even use a half of the condensed milk container. Don't even use a half. For both of these pies, I use 1 can. I half it up. And oh, that remind me. On the blueberry lemonade, guys, that pie crust is walnut pie crust. I saw it inside Walmart and I was like, okay, it's $3 I think it was $3.69. I was like, well, that is so different for a walnut crusted pie. So the other one is just a regular granola. But I was just like, that's different. So I grabbed that because it was different. So guys, I'm going to show you close up. And my fave. Just, y'all, I'm just that lemon girl. And I love blue things. So I already knew that I was going to do. And that crust, guys. That crust is the bomb. That crust is the bomb. So guys, son, what do you rate it?
Blueberry one, probably like a 4.5.
I absolutely love the crust with the blue lemonade. That is so different because it's giving you like a nutty grain to it. So it has a twist of a good time. Guys, Shawana, this is for you, like I said. So guys, please like, comment, share, and thumbs up my video, guys. Share it out. It's something different because I did mine with a twist. So guys, for the next one, if you have something that you would like Theology to bring to her kitchen to bring to you, please drop it in the comment section or send it over to my DM. Here is my DM right here. And until the next time, guys, kisses and loves. Bye.